My VR for Metthem 88, the giveaway. I wanted to participate and just show you guys what I have for my collection. First up, we got the CCI Mini Mag can, those 1600 round cans. They were hard to get, so I got a couple of those. We got the AR Tacticals, 300 rounds. The Shoot'ems, 300 rounds. And then we got the AR Tacticals, 375 rounds. I have 2 of these boxes. So I already have my AR Tactical. And they have the Shoot'ems, the 375 round boxes. I have, I think, about 5 of these. Now we got the CCI Blazers, the CCI Round Nose, the CCI Hollow Points, the Stingers. I got some Stingers. I just took one box out. The Velocitors, CCI Velocitors. And then we got the Remington. We got the Bucket, bullets. We got the 525 pack, the 100 round pack. And then I got some Vipers and some Yellow Jackets. Winchester. We got the M22 1000 round boxes. And then we got those 800 round boxes. Then we got the Winchester Cabela's box here. It's got that 300 round box inside. The Winchester Westerns. We got a 222 Winchester, and then we had these. I got these a real long time ago in Gander. These are a 235 box. Winchester USA. 1280 feet per second, but it was a different box, and I never seen them again in stock. So, and then we got a Winchester 40 grain, 1300 feet per second. The Federals. These are the Federals. Now this is the new one I just got. I got some of these. These are the copper plated round nose, 40 grains. These are the regular lead round nose. No copper plated, but you see the feet per second's the same. These are a little bit more because they're copper plated. These are the regular lead round nose. And then they got these 38 grain. These are the Game Shock 38 grain hollow point. I have a few boxes of these. I have one of these, a couple of these American Eagles 38 grain hollow point. Then we got the Federal 525 packs. And then the Brownings, the new edition. Got a Browning 400 round box, and we got one of these Brownings 1435 feet per second. So just a little variety of stuff. I dig all of this stuff out. I just want to show you a little bit. We got a little bit of everything. Alright, good luck to everybody in the contest. Metthem, hope you like my collection. Talk to you all later.